some low-carb mac and cheese. That's right, super creamy comfort food mac and cheese for the fall weather when you need something just warm and comforting. So if you're excited about that just as much as I am, be sure and give this video a thumbs up and let's do this. Okay, so I've made a couple pasta videos using this great low-carb baking company pasta, and there's special ways to make it, and I will explain that again if you haven't seen my other videos on pasta. You cannot cook it according to the instructions because it's terrible. But if you cook it twice as long as it says to, and if you have chicken broth and you can cook it in that, do that. It's gonna be amazing. And then I'm gonna show you how to make this sauce. It doesn't require any xanthan gum or guar gum or any kind of thickener. It's thick enough just on its own. The one thing you need to be careful about is once all those cheeses melt, whenever you're making a cheese sauce, don't keep it on the heat, because if it cooks too long, it's gonna start to curdle and it's gonna get stringy and you've pretty much ruined it. Which I did the last time I made this because I was waiting for people to get home and I was trying to keep it warm and I just stood there stirring it and then it curdled. So we're making it again, and this time we're gonna make it at once like I always do and not wait on the stove. So let's go in the kitchen and see how it's done. This is what you're gonna need. Some chicken stock or water. If you use just water, make sure you salt it pretty well. And then whatever macaroni you want. I had elbow before. This is rotini. It's just what I have, but it's the Great Low Carb Bread Company. It says to do it for 10 minutes. Do not do it for 10 minutes. Do it for 18 to 20 minutes, boiling it. And the carb count, you can see, is 25 with 18 fiber. So that leaves you with 7. This is 4 servings, it says, and we get 6 or 7 servings out of it because it's so loaded with fiber and because we pair it with lots of cheese and protein. So we cut our carbs doing it that way, but if you were to follow this, it would be 7 carbs for a quarter of this. So you're gonna boil it in here for 18 to 20 minutes, and then we're gonna make the sauce. For the sauce, I am using a stick of butter, some minced up freeze-dried garlic, some heavy whipping cream, Parmesan cheese, sharp cheddar, and then you can use just some cayenne pepper if you want to spice it up, or I also have this hot jalapeno and habanero jack cheese, so I'm going to use a cup of this and a half a stick of cream cheese. We're going to start with the butter and the garlic. I've got my stick of butter in here. I'm just going to put this over medium heat and add in my tablespoon of dried garlic. I'm just gonna saute this garlic to bring it back to life a little bit. Not too much, don't burn your garlic, it will ruin your dish. Now we're gonna add in our cup of cream. Cream cheese. We're gonna do our 2 cups of cheddar. I'm just gonna add in a little bit at a time. If you find that it's too thick, add a little bit of your pasta water to it. Or a little more cream, which I'm gonna do. So I put in a cup of cream. I'm gonna put in another 1/4 cup right there. I'll have everything listed in the description box below once it's done and I know exactly what I've put in. And we're gonna do the habanero jack, 1 cup of that. You can salt and pepper this to taste. Once you've got this melted, you take it off the heat. it does not start to curdle. Check this out. Ugh, so yummy. Okay, so that is it. It is amazing. It's yummy. You will love this. Everybody in my family loves this. You can't tell it's low carb. It's amazing. Check it out. Please leave me a comment below if you try this and if you enjoy it. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you